So our first question is, match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below the lists. List 1. Hill ranges of central India. A. Satpura. B. Mahadeo. C. Vindhya. D. Maikla. List 2 location in map. Locate hill ranges in the map. Code. A. A4, B1, C3, D2. B. A2, B3, C4, D1. C. A3, B4, C2, D1. D. A2, B1. Answer of question 1 is A. Satpura matches with 3, located south of the Narmada River. B. Mahadeo matches with 1, a part of the Satpura range. C. Vindhya matches with 2, located north of the Narmada River. D. Maikla matches with 4, the eastern part of the Satpura range. Based on this matching, the correct option is C. So our question 2 is, match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below the lists. List I, region. A. Baghelkhand. B. Kuttanad. C. Saurashtra. D. Trar. List 2, state. 1. West Bengal. 2. Madhya Pradesh. 3. Kerala. 4. Gujarat. Options. A. A 2B3C4D1. B. A 2B3C1D4. C. A 1B3C4D2. D. A 1B4. The correct answer of question 2 is explanation. A. Baghelkhand, this region is primarily located in Madhya Pradesh. B. Kuttanad, this region is a part of Kerala, known for its backwaters and rice fields. C. Saurashtra, this peninsula is a prominent region within Gujarat. D. Rar, this geographical region is located in West Bengal. Therefore, the correct matching is a 2B3C4D1. Final answer. The correct option is B. A 2B3C4D1. So our question 3 is, which one of the following about sugar industry of peninsular India is not correct? Options. A. High yield per hectare of sugarcane. B. Higher sucrose content. C. Long crushing season. D. Most of the mills in the peninsula are located mainly along the east coast. The answer of question 3 is, the sugar industry in peninsular India has advantages like higher sucrose content, a long crushing season, and better yield due to tropical climate. However, most of the sugar mills here are located in the interior regions of Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu, not mainly along the east coast. Final answer. Option D. Most of the mills in the peninsula are located mainly along the east coast. So our fourth question is, match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below the lists. List 1, mountain range. A. Satpura. B. Vindhya. C. Aravali. D. Mahadeo. List 2, location in map. 1, 2, 3, 4. Options. A. A 4B to C1D3. B. A 3B to C1D4. C. A 2B3C1D4. D. A 1B4C2D3. Explanation of question 4. The mountain ranges are matched with their correct locations on the map. A. Satpura 3. Located in central India, south of the Vindhya range. B. Vindhya 2. Lies in west central India, north of the Narmada River. C. Aravali 1. One of the oldest fold mountains found in northwestern India. D. Mahadeo 4. Part of the Satpura range in Madhya Pradesh. Final answer, B. A 3B to C1D4. So the fifth question is, which of the following statements in respect to the Indian Peninsular Plateau are correct? 1. The Deccan Plateau gradually rises from north to south. 2. The Malwa Plateau dominates the Vindhya scarps, forming the eastern flank of the plateau. 3. The western Satpuras separate the Narmada and Tapi rivers. 4. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is composed of Archean granite and gneiss rocks. Options. A. 1, 2, 3 and 4. B. 1, 3 and 4 only. C. 2 and 4 only. D. 1 and 3 only. Answer 5. 1. Statement 1 is correct. The Deccan Plateau does gradually rise from north to south. This is a well-established geographical fact about the topography of the region. 2. The Malwa Plateau dominates the Vindhya scarps wrong. It lies north of the Vindhyas, not forming the eastern flank. 3. The western Satpuras separate the Narmada and Tapi rivers are correct. They form the divide between these two rivers. 4. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is composed of Archean granite and gneiss rocks correct. It is made up of ancient crystalline rocks. Final answer, B. 1. Match with correct answers. List 1, Railway Zone. A. North Central. B. Northeastern. C. West Central. D. South Central. List 2, Headquarters. 1. Sikandarabad 2. Jabalpur 3. Gorakhpur 4. Allahabad. Code. A. 84, B. 3, C. 2, D. 1. B. 84, B. 2, C. 3, D. 1. C. A. 1, B. 2, C. A. 3, D. 4. D. A. 1, B. 3, C. The correct answer of answer 6. A. North Central Allahabad, 4, correct. HQ is in Prayagraj, Allahabad. B. Northeastern Gorakhpur, 3, correct. Gorakhpur is its headquarters. C. West Central Jabalpur, 2, correct. Jabalpur serves as its HQ. D. South Central Sikandarabad, 1, correct. Sikandarabad is its headquarters. Final answer, A. A4, B. 3, C2, D. 1. Question 7 is: the headquarters of Metro Railway Zone is located in A. New Delhi. B. Mumbai. C. Kolkata. D. Chennai. The correct answer of question 7 is: Metro Railway is the 17th railway zone of Indian Railways and the first metro railway zone in India. It operates the Kolkata Metro, which was the first metro system in the country, started in 1984. The headquarters of this metro railway zone is located in Kolkata. Final answer, C. Kolkata. Question 8 is: match with correct option. List 1, Peak. A. Anamudi. B. Dodh Betta. C. Dhupgarh. D. Guru Shikhar. List 2, name of hill. 1. Nilgiri. 2. Satpura. 3. Aravali. 4. Annamlai. Code. A. A 3B to C 1 D4. B. A 3B 1C to D4. C. A 4B 1C to D3. D. A 4B to C 1 D3. The correct answer of question 8 is: Anamudi is the highest peak of the Annamlai Hills in Kerala, A4. Dodh Betta is the highest peak of the Nilgiri Hills in Tamil Nadu, B1. Dhupgarh is the highest peak of the Satpura range in Madhya Pradesh, C2. Guru Shikhar is the highest peak of the Aravali range in Rajasthan, D3. Final answer, C. A4, B1, C2, D3. Question 9 is: consider the following statements about an Indian state. 1. It is well known globally for its variety of rocks and minerals. 2. It has the largest deposits of chrysotile asbestos in the country. 3. The Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy Sagar Hydel project is located in this state. Identify the state from the following. A. Jharkhand. B. Rajasthan. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Chhattisgarh. Answer 9. 1. Well known for rocks and minerals, Andhra Pradesh is rich in a wide variety of rocks and minerals, like granite, barytes, mica, etc. 2. Largest deposits of chrysotile asbestos, these are found in Andhra Pradesh. 3. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy Sagar Hydel project, NSRSP, this project is located on the Penna river in Andhra Pradesh. Final answer, C. Andhra Pradesh. Question 10 is: which of the following statements are correct? 1. Vishakhapatnam Port is a landlocked harbour. 2. Deen Dayal Port is a tidal port. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer 10. Statement 1. Vishakhapatnam Port is a landlocked harbour. Correct. Reason: Vishakhapatnam is called a landlocked harbour because it is surrounded by high hills on 3 sides with a narrow opening to the sea, which provides natural protection. Statement 2. Deen Dayal Port is a tidal port. Correct. Reason: Deen Dayal Port, formerly Kandla Port, in Gujarat, is located in the Gulf of Kutch and functions as a tidal port, where the depth of water is dependent on the tidal movements. Final answer, C. Both 1 and 2. Question 11 is: which of the following is the longest highway tunnel in India? A. Peer Panjal Tunnel. B. Jawahar Tunnel. C. Atal Tunnel. D. Kanbade Tunnel. Answer 11 is Peer Panjal Tunnel, 11.2 kilometers, located in Jammu and Kashmir, railway tunnel. Jawahar Tunnel, 2.85 kilometers, located at Banihal Pass in Jammu and Kashmir, road tunnel. Atal Tunnel, 9.02 kilometers, located under Rohtang Pass in Himachal Pradesh, highway, road, tunnel. Karbade Tunnel, 6.67 kilometers, located on the Konkan Railway in Maharashtra, railway tunnel. Final answer, C. Atal Tunnel. Question 12 is, which of the following is not a subdivision of the Meghalaya Plateau? A. Khasi. B. Jantia. C. Garo. D. Dhansiri. Answer 12 is Khasi Hills subdivision of Meghalaya Plateau. Jantia Hills subdivision of Meghalaya Plateau. Garo Hills subdivision of Meghalaya Plateau. Dhansiri, it is not a part of the Meghalaya Plateau, it is actually a river valley, Dhansiri River, tributary of the Brahmaputra. In Assam. Final answer, D. Dhansiri. Question 13 is, which of the following Indian states is not covered by the Deccan Plateau? A. Telangana. B. Maharashtra. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Madhya Pradesh. Answer 13 is Telangana covered by the Deccan Plateau. Maharashtra covered by the Deccan Plateau. Andhra Pradesh partly covered by the Deccan Plateau, Rayalaseem region. Madhya Pradesh not covered by the Deccan Plateau, it lies mainly in the Central Highlands and Malwa Plateau. Final answer, D. Madhya Pradesh. Question 14 is, which of the following is a mountain pass in the Pir Panjal range at a maximum altitude of 2,832 meters that connects the Kashmir Valley in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir with the outer Himalayas and the plains in the south? A. Manna Pass. B. Banihal Pass. C. Baralacha Pass. D. Jojila Pass. Answer 14 is Manna Pass in Uttarakhand connects India with Tibet. Banihal Pass in Pir Panjal, 2,832 meter, links Kashmir Valley with south. Baralacha Pass in Himachal connects Lahaul and Ladakh. Jojila Pass in Greater Himalayas connects Srinagar with Leh. Final answer, B. Banihal Pass. Question 15 is, which of the following statements is not true about plateaus? A. The Deccan Plateau is one of the oldest plateaus in India. B. A plateau is an elevated flat land. C. Plateaus are rich in mineral deposits. D. The Marwar Plateau is the highest plateau in the world. The statement that is not true about plateaus is D. The Marwar Plateau is the highest plateau in the world. Explanation. The Deccan Plateau is indeed one of the oldest and largest plateaus in India, making statement a true. A plateau is, by definition, an elevated flat land with a large, relatively level surface, making statement be true. Plateaus, particularly those formed from volcanic activity or crystalline rock, are often rich in mineral deposits like iron, coal, and manganese, making statement C true. The highest plateau in the world is the Tibetan Plateau, not the Marwar Plateau. The Marwar Plateau is a part of the Peninsular Plateau in India.